In the previous chapter, we looked at medicine that was based on body weight. The math in this chapter is going to be very similar to that chapter. However, this chapter deals with medicine that's based on body surface area. So not the body weight, but the body surface area. These medicines are used in many areas, including cancer chemotherapy and for patients with severe burns. So body surface area is measured in square meters, or you can say meters squared. And that is 1 meter by 1 meter. And the average adult has a BSA of 1.75 square meters. BSA can be calculated by using one of the following two formulas, and we always round the BSA to the nearest hundredth. So if they give the weight in kilograms and the height in centimeters, we multiply the weight times the height and divide by 3600 and then take the square root. If they give the weight in pounds and the height in inches, we multiply the weight times the height and then divide by 3131 and then take the square root. So we do need to be very careful about how they give the information, because it tells us which formula we need to use. On number 1 it says, find the BSA of a person who is 182.9 centimeters tall and weighs 90.9 kilograms. So because they're giving us the information in centimeters and kilograms, we're going to use this formula. Now, there's many different calculators out there. I would say for half of your calculators, you're going to have to type it in like this. 90.9 times 182.9 divided by 3600. Then press the equals button, and then press the square root button. So 90.9 times 182.9 divided by 3600, and if you press equals, you get 4.618225. Then you press the square root button, and you get 2.149. But we need to round this to the nearest hundredth, so it's 2.15 square meters. The other half of your calculators will be like this. You're actually going to type the square root button first, then an open parentheses, then 90.9 times 182.9 divided by 3600, then close parentheses, then press enter, and you'll get the same thing. So make sure you know what type of calculator you have, and make sure that you can get the 2.15 square meters.